See. All right.
Good starting point.
So we're out here along the Kern River. We have found our secluded little campsite where we will be residing for the next like 3-4 nights-ish. But we're not gonna be staying here during the day for each of those days. We're gonna be going out, doing different activities, hitting different spots. Gotta set up our tent, gotta set up a fire, maybe make some food, possibly go fishing, maybe just crash early.
Be my stick. We can make a hammock out of this for sure.
We just need to find one more.
Well, and a hammock.
So every once in a while they got fighter jets, almost look like F-35s. Maybe they're F-22s, but
Hey,
yeah, super sick.
Those, fighter jets fly by?
Yeah, I was just talking about it.
So fucking close.
Dude, I tried to record it, but I was kind of late. It's only about 3 o'clock and the sun is already falling over that peak. So we don't have much daylight left.
It actually set. I'm sorry, I don't want to have an immigrant correct you, but the sun is setting over the peak.
The sun is setting over the peak and we don't have much daylight left. We still got to set up our tent. And it's not really windy. Find the door. This is a chair and it's already starting to get really cold. Supposed to be a low of like 30 degrees Fahrenheit. How's the saw working?
I cut big wood.
Oh my gosh. Most important tools when camping. We got our trusty dusty survival knife. Seen some use already. We both just picked up this axe. Or I mean not an axe, saw. To get through these big pieces. Of course, got my EDC to actually start the fire. Ferro rod, which has also seen a lot of use. Also, we just kind of collected this dry wood, dead branches just around this area, and we're using all of it for our own personal use. How selfish we are. So we got rid of the Crocs, and we're trying out these new hiking, all-terrain Timberland National Geographic shoes. Brand new, but what better way to break them in than out in the wild, out in nature. There's a little bit of a crack in this one right here, so I'm gonna attempt to split it.
You want to use the hatchet?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. A little more. Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Split it. Split it.
This is a little bit more than just surviving. We're kind of glamping at this point.
Oh, look at this. This is Whole Foods. Whole Foods.
Yeah, glamping for sure. Plus we got pots and a stove. Like, come on, bruh. We're cheating at this point. For tonight's menu, got chili and rice. We still have a little bit of daylight. It's not too dark yet. This was already here. It's a nice fire pit made for us. Got some of the wood that we're gonna use tonight, and then plenty more surplus.
You. We ain't got no liquor.
Nice and hot too.
With that, the sunset on those.
All right.
Clean. Whoa.
Oh, clean it. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's so much better. Oh, that was, bruh. So the sawdust, it was the sawdust. Fire! Fire make man happy! Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm pointing right at it.
Damn, that's Venus? Dude, that's so bright. Like, I can capture it on camera too. Slightly.
See if you can zoom in. Can you see any aliens?
So the moon is over there. That's super visible. But then you look over there, that's Venus. Dude, we thought that was a star. Good morning. It was a very, very cold first night. Kind of hard to sleep. Think I'm gonna layer up a little more tomorrow. All right, it's 9:24 and we are going to get ready, eat a little bit, and then head over to the Sequoias. All right, breakfast. Some blueberries, bread, PB&J, baby. We also didn't bring oil or butter, so we also have some English breakfast tea. So it's starting to trickle a little bit. And you can see, these are very wet clouds. And we weren't prepared for the rain, but that's what the adventure's all about, you know? Starting to be more than just a little trickle. We're gonna keep our firewood under the rocks for the day, so when we come back at night to actually start the fire, hopefully it's not soaked.
The 107, then we hook a left to the 190.
Trail of 100 giants. Looking at big, massive trees. And it's snowing. Found some raccoon tracks. But yeah, the space between the track was like jumping across this whole thing. Clouds are moving really fast. 70 feet around and still growing. This tree right here. Dude, that looks fake. That looks like it was out of a game. Right. We have come across wild snowman.
Oh, watch out, there's another one watching you.
There's another one. Not a happy camper. Road. Yeah. So we're actually heading back to our campsite because we don't have a lot of daylight left, and we didn't get to hit General Sherman because it's 3 hours further from where we stopped in the Sequoias, plus driving at like 20 miles per hour in the snow. It's gonna take even longer. So we're just heading back. Look at these rocks. They have like streaks and different patterns along them, different colors, almost look rusted. Beautiful blue skies, nice puffy white clouds. There's a rainbow over there, you can kind of see it. Well, we came back and a little bit soaked, mate. Little bit soaked, but the sun is out, so hopefully we get a little bit of drying going on. Or today's lunch menu, pasta, tomato basil, or tomato basil. All right. 2 different brands of tomato basil. It was a really good thing that we put all of our wood under that rock to stay relatively dry. Today on our cooking show, how to cook pasta. All right, so now we're trying with a match, and maybe it's even too damp for a match. Some chicken noodle soup on the menu. Got the BAM! It is a very, very cold morning. We have found some prints. Can't really tell what they are though. There's more footprints. We are also 7,400 feet in elevation. Yo, it's a stealth bomber. Out here, look how yellow these trees look. Nice autumn colors. We got the river flowing. This bridge is not that huge, but look at the steel cable. That is thick. And then look at, bruh, that thing is huge. We're just out here basking in the glory of nature. This air is still kind of cold, but the sun feels nice on the skin. Look at this view, y'all. Mountain ranges going on and on and on. We have found remnants of something. Rusted iron.
Must be a mine. Must be a mine around the corner.
Camp seems to be a little bit more dry now that the sun's out. Today's lunch.
Oh la la.
Ooh.
We're eating small mouse nuts.
What? This is lunch. Quinoa with garlic flavored brown rice and chickpea curry. So clearly that was not enough food to fill the stomachs or to support 2 elite physical fit men. So we're gonna have some more.
Yeah. I have to burn it.
Part 2. Pretty solid, not gonna lie. Now the dishes are clean. Wash them in the river. Lake Isabella.
Or Lake Isabella. We have B, just drive around and
Find a
do
pull
these.
out. We head towards Lake Isabella. And if we see some stops, we'll just stop on the way. And if we end up spending more time on the stops, make sure you toss your trash every night or every time you leave the campsite. So that 1, no animals come and get your trash. 2, make sure you don't litter nature, bruh. Come on now. Preserving this beautiful landscape.
just send it.
Oh, it's a cliff. It's literally a cliff.
Dude, we would have made that. I think it's fine. Oh, there we go.
All right, well, one of the pull-offs led to this. Some sort of irrigation system. Oh, what is this I see?
Dude, I think that is it.
Yeah, low key. But they blocked it off. I got hit with one of these. Spiky little fella. More pasta for dinner. 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. This is how our layout was. We had all of our stuff in the middle. Sleeping pads and sleeping bag. I had double sleeping pad, sleeping bag, because mine are thinner and only filled with air. Quick gas stop before we hit the quarries. Quarries? We're getting ready to dig for some megalodon teeth. Teeth, not tooth. Megalodon teeth. We're gonna get multiple. But it seems like
one for you, one for me, baby.
Seems like we have some competition because these other people are looking for megalodon teeth too.
In the last 15 million years. So it works out to about 100 feet every million years. They're all toothed whales, so they all have teeth on their lower jaw, their mandible, and they have teeth on that upper tooth palate. They're not like a sperm whale that just has teeth on that lower jaw. He found 5 of these teeth in a formation in Costa Mesa. So way out in Orange County, he finds these 5 loose teeth, and he knew then that this would be a brand new whale. But like last year, 23.
Right here. That looks like the 15-inch.
Only what, 15 minutes in?
15 minutes in. Shark
Look
tooth.
at that. Woo! Other than shark teeth.
Dude, I'm sorry, but it looks like rocks. It looks like rocks. The shark teeth is... Shark tooth right there.
Crazy. Trifecta.
I think it's worth putting this through a sift.
Oh my gosh. Overcast. The wind is crazy. Got plenty of shark teeth. And it's too windy to continue. That's our home.
We live there. We live there now.
Oh. We have now rewarded ourselves with a proper restaurant meal. Finished an amazing meal after a very successful camping trip. And we are now headed back to LA. On to another adventure. Stay tuned for Adventures with Jared and Daniel next up.
Yes, brother.
We might be outside of the country, hint hint.